And it goes like this. Dun, 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 dun. Woo! It goes up like this, and it goes different claps. They're so cute. Nice job, ladies.
We're going to give it the golf clap.
Yeah.
Everybody reach in your golf bags. Grab a ball, a tee, and your favorite driver. Put that ball down in the ground with the tee. Take aim. Ooh.
Pass the spaghetti and meatballs, pass the cheese, and this time get that big bunch of broccoli out. Okay, so you're going to take off that big fat purple rubber band that's on the end of the broccoli, and you're going to throw away the broccoli, because who really likes broccoli? And then you're going to take that rubber band, and you're going to put one hand into the rubber band, and then you're going to take the other hand and put it into the rubber band, and you're going to clap like this. Chris is going to come up here because we're going to give it the scissor clap.
Nice pants. I like yours too. Does everybody know a scissor clap?
Yeah. I do.
Okay, when I cross my hands, you're supposed to clap. You guys ready?
Oh yeah, I'm talking too.
Oh, try it again.
That's the Parmesan cheese. Then pick up your cheese grater and you go like this. Great, 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 great.